Cheers on Emmanuel.
I'm just a bachelor. I'm looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride without even falling on. Gotta be compatible. Takes me to my limits. Girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't wanna get on. If you're horny, let's do it.